again see this one, it is one. So মই এখিনি আছিলো 1 minute. So now see the ray which are paired to the principal axis after striking it will passes through the focus again the ray which passes through focus again strike in the same direction, and this is the point of intersection. So this will be the image A dash B dash. So A dash B dash will be the image, and the position of the image is between focus and the center of curvature. Between focus and the center of curvature. So that's why position of the image your between center of curvature and focus. Size of the image your diminish means koru onkusito. Then nature is real and inverted. Real means your hot, inverted means olota. Hot or olota protibimbo, real and inverted. Then see the next one, number 3. Then see the next one, number 3, all of you. শুনি আছা মোক?
Sir, yes.
The next to see the next one, position of the object AB at the center of curvature. Now if the position is at the center yes, position of the object and at the center. Now see this one, this is the center of curvature. 1 minute. All of you draw the figure. All of you draw the figure first. This one, this is center of curvature. This is your focus. This is your pole, meru, focus, Haskendra. Leave some space here so that you can write later on this one, position of the image, size of the image. Now see, this is your concave mirror, অবতল দর্পণ. So whenever you draw it with measurement. Suppose if you take PF equal to 5, you have to take CF also 5. And if you then you have to draw it properly. And if you don't draw it properly, then your image will not be formed in the correct position. Finished?
Sir, yes, finish.
Now see, 1 minute. Now see, this is your principal axis. This is your object. Object is your AB. Now see, the ray which are coming parallel to the principal axis. যিবিলাক তোমাৰ ৰশ্মি মুখ্য অক্ষৰ সমান্তৰালকৈ আহিছে, the ray which are coming parallel to the principal axis. Okay, নয়ন তুমি জাস্ট আহিছা, সো মই জাস্ট এইটোলে বুজা হৈ গল, এইটো আজ বুজাই আছো, চাই লোৱা এইটো তোমাৰ অবতল দৰ্পণ এখন. এটা যদি তোমাৰ অবজেক্টটো হাস্কেন্দ্ৰত থাকে, এটা ইমেজটো কত ফৰ্ম, প্ৰতি ইমেজটো কত ফৰ্ম হ'ব, এইটো আমি চাই আছো. Now see, the ray which are coming parallel to the principal axis. So this is the ray. This is the ray which are coming parallel to the principal axis. After striking, it will passes through the focus. It will passes through the focus. Okay. Now see, the second ray, Rosmi, যেটো তোমার ফোকাসৰ মাজেৰে যাব, the ray which are passing through the focus. After striking, it will be parallel to the principal axis. First, Rosmi যিবোৰ মুখ্য অক্ষৰ সমান্তৰাল হ'ব, সেই ৰশ্মিবোৰ স্ট্ৰাইক কৰাৰ পিছত ফোকাসৰ মাজেৰে যাব, ফাৰ্স্ট ৰুল. সেকেন্ড ৰুল, যিবোৰ ৰশ্মি ফোকাসৰ মাজেৰে যাব, এইবোৰ স্ট্রাইক করার পিছত মুখ্য অক্ষর সমান্তরাল হবো. The ray which are coming parallel to the principal axis, after striking it will pass through the focus. the ray which passes through the focus after striking, it will be parallel to the principal axis. Clear, all of you, up to this?
Sir, yes.
Now see, now this is the point of intersection. Suppose this is, I am that means I proper measurement law nai, that's why to tumar ete cut khase. So this will be in between here. So now see, this is the AB, the point of intersection. This will be the image, formation of the image, position of the image. So it will be again inverted polota A dash B dash. Clear, all of you? So the size of the image, now see, this is very important. Size of the, in this case only, the size of the image and size of the object will be same. It অকল এইটো ক্ষেত্ৰতে তোমাৰ object আৰু তোমাৰ মানে object যেটো হয় উৎস, object means উৎস in Assamese, object আৰু প্ৰতিবিম্বৰ তোমাৰ সমান হ'ব, size টো সমান হ'ব। এইটো object AB to object A dash B dash তোমাৰ প্ৰতিবিম্ব। So it is very important for exam point of view. So in your exam you are asked what will be the position of the object when, what is the position of the object, that means what will the position of the object when the object and the image will be of same size. Into kuntu position of tumar object aru image or size to same hobo. So answer to hobo, the answer will be when the object is a center of curvature, then the image will also form in the center of curvature, and the your size of the object and size of the image will be same. Clear? Now see, object to tumar ভাস্কেন্দ্ৰত আছে, so object to যদি ভাস্কেন্দ্ৰত থাকে তোমার প্রতিবিম্বটো ভাস্কেন্দ্রতে তোমার গঠন হবো, ফর্ম হবো, আর অবজেক্ট দ্যাট মিন্স উৎস আর ইমেজ প্রতিবিম্ব তোমার সাইজটো একে হবো। সো ক্লিয়ার, অল অফ ইউ? Clear?
Sir, yes.
So now see, position of the image at the center of the curvature and the size of the image same as that of the object, and nature, that means তোমার প্রকৃতি কেনেকুৱা হ'ব, nature real হ'ব, hot হ'ব, and inverted hobo aru olota hobo, olota. So real and inverted. Next is the fourth one. First, second, third, fourth. These are very important for exam point of view. Jigno tumar duta akibo ahibo tumar exam, final exam. Now see the fourth one. Position of the object between the center of curvature and the focus. Now sir, etia tumar utkhor position to hoise center of curvature aru focus or major. So agor to ki ase eto sa kenaka tumloke, how can you relate? Now see, when the object is between center of curvature and the infinity, image will be formed between focus and the center of curvature. Jetia utkhotu ভাস্কেন্দ্র আৰু ইনফিনিটিৰ তোমাৰ মাজত থাকিব, তেতিয়া তোমাৰ প্ৰতিবিম্বটো ভাস্কেন্দ্ৰ আৰু ফোকাসৰ মাজত হ'ব। এটা তাৰ ৰিভাৰ্স টু সি দা ৰিভাৰ্স ওয়ান, when the object is between focus and the center of curvature, then image will be formed between center of curvature and infinity. এতিয়া যেতিয়া তোমাৰ উৎসটো ফোকাস আৰু ভাস্কেন্দ্ৰৰ মাজত থাকিব, তেতিয়া তোমাৰ প্ৰতিবিম্বটো ভাস্কেন্দ্ৰ আৰু ইনফিনিটিৰ মাজত হ'ব। So clear, all of you? কেনেকৈ তোমালোকে ৰিলেট কৰিব লাগিব তোমাৰ ৰে ডায়াগ্ৰাম বিলাক? How can you relate the ray diagram? How can you remember the ray diagram? All of you clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, yes.
Yes. So enaka tumaloke relate koribo lagibo, tetia monot thakibo, karon iman chua this is not possible to remember all the things, so you have to relate it with the other one. So now see, position of the object AB, this is the AB, position of the object AB between center of curvature and focus. The position is center of curvature and focus, that means for position to focus aru ভাস্কেন্দ্ৰৰ মাজত হ'ব। Position of the image beyond the center of curvature. Beyond the center of curvature means tumar ভাস্কেন্দ্ৰৰ infinity, it is between your center of curvature and infinity, beyond the center of curvature. And now see, size of the image magnified. Magnified means what? Magnified means what in Assamese? Bibordhito. Bibordhito. Magnified means bibordhito. That means dangor. In correct Assamese language, magnified means bibordhito, dangor. So the image is so small, sorry, object is small, but the image will be large one, magnified. So this is the your size of the image. Now nature of the image, tomorrow to prokriti enokwa hobo. Real means hot, and ulota, this means inverted. So clear, all of you, this diagram?
Sir, yes.
Okay. So are you drawing the diagram, or you can draw later on? Are you drawing the diagram?
No.
Okay. Tumaloka snapshot will over about I will send you the photo in our WhatsApp group. So from there you can draw. Okay. Or you can draw by only yourself also. Let's see. Let's see here. Itu may one bullet yes uska. We can again say 1 minute. Let me draw. Suppose see this one. I'm going to draw now. You can draw later on. Now this is your focus. This is your center of curvature. Now the image, object is here, in between here. AB. Now see here. The ray which is coming parallel to the principal axis, after striking it will passes to the focus. Clear? Now see the next one. Now the ray which passes. Let me change the color. It will be easy for you. Suppose now see this is center of curvature. Now the ray is the AB. It means now it will be like this. Yes or no? It means the ray which passes to the center of curvature, it will go back in the what? It will go back in the same path. Let me draw it correctly. Now see, this is the point of intersection. This will be the image, but the image will be one magnified. So A dash B dash. All of you understood? Yes or no? All of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Sir, yes.
Yes, but don't forget to give the direction. If you don't give the direction in the diagram, you will get 0, because it will only depend upon the direction. Now see, that means the ray which passes through this one, after striking it will passes through the focus. That's why you have to give this direction. Then the ray which passes through the focus, the center of curvature, it will again slide back. That means the your path will be same, but the direction will be reverse one. That's why this one. So this is the point of intersection. This will be the magnified. Clear, all of you?
Sir, yes.
Okay. Now see the next one. Okay, Nayan, it will buji paisa. So next to see the next one. When the your on the focus, jetia tumar head hobo, focus hobo. So ito ami relate koribo paru. So first to logot so jetia object to when object is object, that means when position of the object is infinite, then image will be focused. In the same way, when position of the object is in focus, image will be infinite. যেতিয়া তোমাৰ উৎসৰ পজিশনটো তোমাৰ ইনফাইনাইট হ'ব, প্ৰতিবিম্ব তোমাৰ ফোকাসত গঠন হ'ব। ইন দ্য সেম ওয়ে যদি তোমাৰ উৎসৰ পজিশনটো ফোকাসত হ'ব, প্ৰতিবিম্বটো তোমাৰ ইনফাইনাইটত গঠন হ'ব। উল্টাটো ৰিভাৰ্স ওয়ান। সো ইউ ক্যান রিলেট লাইক দিস। বুঝি পাইছা অল অফ ইউ? Yes or no?
Sir, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, for me, yes. So see this one. The position of the object is at the focus. Position utkotor position to focus ase. So the image will be formed at infinite. Now see, these two are the parallel lines, and we know the parallel lines do not intersect each other. When you extend this line, it will go on extending. It will not intersect. And if the two lines and Naran tumi hitu sound to meet korila tomar. Now see, if the lines are parallel, they will not intersect, and if if they are not intersecting each other, then there will be no image. And we know why, because we know that to form a your image, two lines must be intersect each other, then it will be position of the image. But here the two lines are parallel, so they never intersect each other, so that's why there will be no formation of image. So তোমাৰ ৰশ্মি দুডাল সমান্তৰাল হ'ব, আৰু আমি জানো যে সমান্তৰাল ৰশ্মি কেতিয়াও আনডালে এডালক ছেদ নকৰে, মানে নাকাটে। যদি তোমাৰ নাকাটে ছেদ নকৰে তেতিয়া ইহঁতে ইমেজ ফৰ্ম নকৰিব, কাৰণ আমি জানো যে ইমেজ ফৰ্ম কৰিবলৈ ৰশ্মি দুডাল ছেদ কৰিব কাটিব লাগিব। বাট here they will not intersect each other, that's why there will be no image formation. Okay, clear? What খাই আছো নিকি তো everyone খাই আছো। Now see, and this is very important. This is very important for exam point of view. There is only one position when, in case of convex mirror, the image will be Herschel. এটাই তোমাৰ পজিশন আছে অবতল দাপনৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত য'ত তোমাৰ প্ৰতিবিম্বটো অখৰ হ'ব। That's why it is very important. কেতিয়া হ'ব? When তোমাৰ object is between focus and the pole. যেতিয়া অবজেক্টটো মেৰু আৰু ফোকাসৰ মাজত থাকিব, তেতিয়া ইমেজ তোমাৰ প্ৰতিবিম্বটো তোমাৰ অখৰ হ'ব আৰু তোমাৰ এটো থিয় হ'ব। Okay, that means when the object is in between the pole, clear? When the object is in between the pole and the focus, then the image will be formed behind the mirror, and it will be Herschel and erect. Erect means thio. So see here, AB here also A dash B dash. In the previous one, see this one. See this one. AB your inverted means ulota. A dash B dash. But here AB and the image will be also A dash B dash. See this one. This is your A B. So image is like this. A dash B dash. Thio. So this is the one and only case in case of convex mirror. অবতল দাপনৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত এটাই তোমাৰ কেস আছে য'ত where the image will be Herschel and magnified and erect. Then this will be the position of the your focus and the pole. All of you clear about this? Clear? Yes or no? Now see this one. See this one. We can use concave mirror as a searchlight. That means in the your glass of a searchlight and in the headlight of a car. I will explain why we are using concave mirror in the headlight of a car. Then again, we can use concave mirror as a Herschel and erect. That's why this type of concave mirror, when that means this type of concave mirror is used as a saving mirror. Saving mirror. So that's why. So today we will end the class here. So tomorrow we will discuss image formation in case of convex mirror. So all of you are clear about this, and if you any doubt, ask me. Kiba doubt ase mo kuda. Doubt ase to kuda from your face. Kiba doubt ase Haswati. Kiba doubt ase. Response me kiba doubt ase to koa. Divjoti kiba doubt ase?
Sir.
Nine. Haswati kiba doubt ase?
Sir, no. Sir,
Nikki,
no.
Nikki means you Nilanjana doubt ase? Nilanjana doubt ase?
Nine.
Nine. Dikshita
Nine.
doubt ase? Dikshita? Slow motion doubt ase?
Nine. Yeah.
Nine. Dipandita doubt ase?
Nine.
Dipandita nine. Acha. Gorana baru voice to nahe. ঠিক আছে, okay. So all of you leave the group. Again we will meet tomorrow, I think at 1 p.m. Yes, 1 p.m. Today I have suffered from eye infection. That's why I have to do the class at the night. Okay, so all of you, thank you. Leave the class now.